Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 2 p.m. Little delayed to make your video. And today is 15th of January 2018. So how are you guys? What's going on? Enjoying your trades? Hmm? So many of you like see our Telegram channel, like if you see almost every stock, like I want to share with you, I will be sharing in a day or two with you one Excel sheet, how our trades have performed. Had you traded in all of them, your portfolio would have been at least three and a half time. Your money would have been at least three and a half time. So, there was one stock which was stuck up for quite some time, Integrated Techno. We gave it at 45.5, and then we gave stop loss as 43, which was a very, very tight stop loss. Like we gave it somewhere here, 27th of November, right? It went up also. It did go up the next few days. We gave it on 27th. It went up also next few days, and after that it came down. So I don't know how many of you exited, but I was getting text from a lot of members that they are still holding it. If you are still holding it, today is your day. Enjoy. Treat from my side. Treat from Stock Pro side. Look at this Marubuzu candle. Isn't it enjoyable? Beautiful trade, right? So if you're holding, have a good day. Enjoy. This is your day. Celebrate, right? So what I'm saying, if you have done technical analysis, your stocks will not go wrong. So what I'm saying now, please join this Saturday. You can join the Hindi webinar that we are starting, right? Hindi will be doing it for the first time. Hindi webinar will be doing for the first time for all our members across India, length and breadth of India, those who have been wanting to join our webinars in Hindi. This is your opportunity. This is your moment. This is your time. Please go ahead and do it. Why? As we give you a guarantee with this program that when you do this program, we will ensure that you have recovered all the money that you have invested in your learning. See, this is one of the members' profits today, right? This is one of the members' profit today, and you know all of you will earn these kind of profits every day. How much is it? Can you calculate? Roughly about 16,000 rupees. 1 day profit, right? And how much are we promising that you will be able to recover? It's 30,000 rupees. Just 2 days or 3 days are needed to recover your money, right? But provided you know the correct trades, provided you understand the direction of the market, right? Now, I am waiting for you all, and I'm telling you, don't lose this opportunity, because next month onwards, which is February, you will not get intraday technique over here along with it. Why? Because we're going to make these as two different courses. The intraday will be separate, and positional will be separate. Okay. So one trade that I have on my mind today, I have a lot of them in my mind, but one trade that I have on my mind is Ramco Industries, right? Now, how do I come to this point? This is a trade that I have thought about is today. This is my trade, right? I want to trade into this. I should have actually entered little earlier, around 290, 295. It's already 10 points up. But now also there is an entry in it. We can definitely enter into it, and we can have this as our stop loss. So about 15, 20 points below will be our stop loss, and this looks like a good trade to me. So this Ramco Industries is one of the stock that I have in my mind. Another one that I want to show you is Gujarat Alkali. Gujarat Alkali. This is another trade that looks very good to me, right? It looks pretty good to me, and it's a good opportunity to enter into this. Okay. And this is also one of the stock that you can keep in your portfolio for long durations. So with these stocks, let's go and talk about um, Nifty. What's happening in Nifty? How's Nifty behaving? So this is Nifty's future Nifty cash graph, right? Nifty opened gap up, and after that it went further up. with good solid volumes. It went up till it touched 10,782. Let me see, where did it go in the futures? Future, it touched 10,772, right? This is the value it touched. And can you see, notice one thing, that future is on a discount, right? That usually doesn't happen. Future is usually on a premium, but right now future is on a discount. Okay, and that means what is expected, um, it's a very overbought market right now. It's a very overbought market. Definitely there could be some kind of profit booking must be coming. So let's look into the option chain and see what's happening over here. So this is 10,800 level. The 10,29,000 puts have been written, calls have been written today. That means this seals the top. And where is the support? Next huge support with 33,78,000 puts come at 10,700. Where is market right now? 10,752. So that means if Nifty falls, it will have first support at the level of 33,000. That means 10,700, right? Let me refresh it once again and see what's happening. So this call writing is reduced little bit, and this is also I mean, there's not much of change, right? There's not much of change. The parameters are almost similar, right? So otherwise, if you look into it, Nifty is in a very strong, robust note, but some kind of profit booking is inevitable. This week, I'm not saying today, within this week, I definitely expect some kind of a profit booking. Now, see here, these are the pivot points, right? So, Nifty, this is the futures. I would like to take the cash. No, here is the cash. Here is the cash. On cash market, it is trying to take a support, and it was falling continuously, trying to take a support and trying to bounce back from here, right? So what I'm saying, that there could be a possibility that Nifty may take support and further go up today. Again, will try to defend its position. All right, because sentiments are positive. So the selling is not coming in the market, right? So there could be a possibility Nifty may, honor this support and go up further, right? So but if it goes up and again experiences resistance, I'm sure some kind of profit booking should definitely come from there, right? Now, see, today Gati has also started moving. Did you see the movement of Gati? We gave Gati to you. Where did we give it to you? Let's see. So, guys, all the proofs that you are looking for, our reputation, you know, what kind of trades we do, what kind of, uh, what do you say, reputation we have. You have everything in front of your eyes. I think Gati we did not give here. We didn't give Gati here, but I maybe I gave it, or I don't remember. Maybe I gave it on Stock Pro Rockers. So, you know, look at Gati today. This is the movement Gati has given. Now it's broken this resistance in one day with volume. That means it is definitely trending in the upward direction. Now, next target that I see for it is 153. So Gati is also in a movement. So I also have some shares over here, and I'm sure it should do fine. And as it is TFCIL, already we gave it at 162. From there, it has even touched today 182 yesterday. I mean, Friday it touched even that. So what are the trades that I did? You know, one more trade that I forgot. I give so many trades. I just keep forgetting. One trade that I gave it to you at 219 or 200 and something was quick heal. Look at the uptrend. You want to see where I gave quick heal? So start, like quick heal, right? You see here, we gave it at 194 rupees on 30th of October. Quick heal was given on 30th of October, right? Somewhere here. or somewhere here, and from there it has gone up. This flight is what it has taken, right? So if you are interested in learning such kind of analysis, such kind of trades, such kind of beautiful, trading in the stock market, you can join our webinar starting from 6th of from the 20th of December, January, which is just this Saturday, right? You have just only 4 days in between. Take a call, make up your mind, change your financial destiny. That is what I can suggest. Rest is your choice. You can decide to take tips from wherever you want, and lose your money. I mean, I believe if years come and years go by and the life doesn't change with them, it simply means we need to change the way we are thinking, the way we are investing in the market, right? So we need to change our way how we are investing in the market. And if you are still on the other side of the market where you are losing money, means it's time for you to change how you trade in the market. All right. So to me, what market tells me right now, let me just once again conclude. Nifty has to have some kind of a profit booking. It's trying to defend its position. The moment it crosses today's high, there should be a good fall one can expect. But let's see, because when such a huge run goes up, um, you know one can't really think about, it takes a lot of time for direction to reverse. So on Thursday we did two trades. One was Hudson Agro, and see how Hudson Agro has done. See, Hudson Agro has opened, it's gone up from wherever we have given. And Mahindra Life, these were our BTST trades. We bought it at this point somewhere here at 480 and 475, and this is how it has gone up, right? Can you see the run up? These are our trades of BTST. Of course, there was RPG Life also, which did not hit the target. So, but since our stop losses are well defined, we exited it. So when you trade, some of the trades will meet your targets, some of them will not. So when we do BTST, our stop losses are tight. So that means even if we lose 1% or 2% or 3%. But when we win, you want to see how much profits these are giving. Mahindra Life space itself is giving about, whichever point we bought, at least 10 to 15% profit from there in just 2 days. Just 2 days. That is your investment. So what we do in our program, let me explain you that also. We do all, equity options, futures. Intraday we will be teaching one or two techniques, because next month onwards it's going to split into two courses. The second course will be purely intraday, and in intraday we will have, you know um, what do you say uh, we will combine it with the software. So that's a different technique altogether. And second thing that we will have will be, um, also we teach you BTST. BTST is what we do. We enter into the market looking at certain parameters at about 3:15, 3:20, and next day midday sometime we sell it. We don't sell it first bell in the morning, first stroke in the morning at 9:15, but we sell it somewhere in the midday. And our BTST technique, people have doubled their money in 1 month. That's the record of our BTST technique, right? So there is a certain way we follow it, and if you will follow, you will also be able to exactly generate same kind of returns. So if you want to learn these, you have every proof in front of your eyes. Everything that you want to know, you have it on in front of your eyes, right? There's nothing which is hidden. There's nothing which I'm saying is incorrect, right? So if you want to learn and if you want to earn in the market, please join our webinar. And for joining webinar, you need to go to my website, which is stockprotraining.com. This is my webinar, my website, stockprotraining.com. And you go to contact us, you run through everything, webinar, you have all the features, whatever you want to understand, read, you have it here. Go to contact us, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is my team will chat with you, right? You can chat with my team and tell them about it. This is live chatting. So these are the ways you can contact us and we will get back to you with full detail. And when you are stock pro, you're a stock pro, means you're professional in doing trading in the market. All right. So I am expecting everybody to be learning in the market, and it's not a huge investment. It's not a huge investment. I can show you many websites just teaching one single technique. They charge 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs. What are we saying? It's just a meager amount of sum, which is 30,000. But what do you get back? You get back the knowledge for the life, and you get your money back by doing our equity trades, by doing BTST, by doing morning range breakout trades with us, along with us. You get all your money back within a month and a half, or 2 months time. This is what we give you, and you get the knowledge of stock market. There is nothing better than this you will get from any of the trainer in the market. That's my guarantee. That's my guarantee, right? So if you want to trade and if you want to learn, you have to understand the direction of the market, and I'm going to teach you that. I take the responsibility. I want to take you to my YouTube channel. I want to read out a member's comment who's just joined, and I mean it's not that I prompted him to write, but he's written by himself. So what he says here, uh, Atul, he says, as promised, ma'am, I'm a webinar 12 member, and let me tell you, it's the best thing that has happened in my trading journey. Thanks. Right? So this is, something that I've not asked him. He's written by himself. This is from heart, right? This is another member. This he writes, thank you, ma'am. To be frank, I traded in almost all your recommended stocks, Telegram, with 95% success. 10 webinar member. This is another 10th webinar member, right? These are my members. I'm telling you, they haven't written because I have told them. They have traded because they are my members, and they're writing because they felt that way. They felt that way. They felt that way, that you know. Learning made a difference in their way of looking at the stock market. So please, guys, don't trade if you don't understand the market. So let's quickly once again run through the Nifty. Let's look into now its futures. Right now, in future, Nifty is experiencing a resistance, whereas the scenario is a little different in the cash market. It's taking a support. So let's this confusion get over, then only we'll have a clarity. When I say that, Nifty has to go below this support in cash market, then both will be in the same direction. Then a clarity will come, right? Wait for this correction, this thing to happen. Let them trade in the same direction. Nifty cash in future should experience a resistance from R2, and if it happens, so Nifty will go down. Otherwise, Nifty is taking a support and planning to go up further, right? So let's refresh and see what's happening. Is there any change in the dynamics? If it is so, we may be able to gauge something. So there is not much change. There's not much change, right? There's not much change that I can see here. So as of now, Nifty will be range bound, and let's see what happens. So when it is range bound, what you need to do, be very stock specific. Be very stock specific, right? One of the stock that I traded today in the morning was National Aluminum, and I enjoyed this run up. And then I exited. As it is, I wanted to teach and concentrate on teaching, so I didn't indulge much into doing it. That was one trade that I did. And another trade that was on my radar was, CAPF. All of you must have seen CAPF, how beautifully it did open, and then it's been coming down ever since. It made a double top, tweezer top, and after that it's been falling down, right? This was on my radar, but I didn't trade. All right. So these are all intraday trades. So we have discussed broadly all the segments: options, futures, equity, positional, BTST, every single kind of trade we do. So be in the safety net of stock pro and rock the stock market. So that's how one should always do, rather than crying and sulking and feeling that why my trade is negative. Be absolutely sure and be in the right direction. With this, I'm signing off, but I want to see you everybody there in the webinar, in my Hindi webinar. All right. Otherwise, we'll meet in February. There'll be only one webinar, which will be Hindi English combined, plus one intraday trading. Two programs will separate out. All right. With this, I'm signing off, but I'll meet you tomorrow and we'll discuss more trades, more about Nifty, more about stocks. Maybe I'll see some if I could do some commodity trading tomorrow. Bye bye. Good day.